Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Hopefully, everybody's doing great. Happy Thursday night, and it's time for another Forex talk over beer. So, welcome if you're new. And if you're new, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to activate notification. This is the most important thing because, as you can see, I'm always late. I don't do this on purpose. I swear. There's always something that happens. I know. Anyways, if you're an existing follower, welcome back. And let's get to it because that's going to be a fast one. I have literally no time tonight because, man, I've been trying to be on vacation since Monday. And still, business is so booming that I had a lot of things to take care of before leaving tomorrow for Mexico. So, yeah, man. So I'm gonna be giving you some pretty good trade ideas, but that's gonna go fast. So you better be up on your game. So let me do this here. I think that's gonna be better. Yeah, that should be better. All right, cool. But first thing first, this is called for. So let me move this. Yeah, the bootcamp. By the way, let me do this very quickly. We had our introduction session today, very quickly, but talk some basics. Got to learn the guys. We got a great bunch of people, man. I have to say the vibe was pretty good. Like the feeling. And yeah, there's 2 spots left because we had a cancellation. So 2 spots left. And we're going to go hard at it when I come back. So you still have a couple days to secure your spot because technically we're going to be fast forwarding this starting on the... Which date I said in the Discord? All right, let me check. Schedule. Oh yeah, 24th. So on March 24th. Okay, so we're gonna get going at 2 p.m. Eastern. And man, you better be ready, boys, because that's gonna be a lot of fun and a lot of learning. Okay, so you still have until what the hell is. Where's this? Okay, so you still, this date is not good anymore. So March 24, we had our introduction session, like I said today, but you got until then to secure the 2 spot left. Okay, so let's move on here. So first thing first, let's crack up the beer because yes, I'm gonna be having a drink because I really freaking need it. And man, after that, I need to go shopping. I need to go shopping because I have no clothes that fits me right now. I lost so much weight. Man, crazy. I don't even know if I'm gonna have time. And thank God the store closed at 9, so I might have time. But I need to go pick up my mother-in-law, which is like an hour drive. So I don't know, man. I don't know what I'm gonna do. But hey, let's hit the chart, guys. Hey, by the way, say hi in the chat. Let me know where you're from. Cheers, guys. I know most of you is gonna be watching the replay, so but yeah, cheers. Woo! Yeah. Okay, let's get going. By the way, do not forget to smash the like button as you are coming in. That's going to be very appreciated. That's the way to get the live going. But since I'm always taking some break down there, YouTube kind of, don't really push the algorithm for me because I'm not super, on point with consistency. So that's why I need your help. Okay, so let's see here. Let's see the comment here. Lewis, hello, salut Big Chief. How you doing? All right, so let's get going, guys. I'm telling you, it's gonna go fast. All right, so let's start with GJ because we always start with GJ. Boom, 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 boom. Let's put the banner here. Man, everything goes so fast right now in my head. Crazy. It's like a highway right now in my head. Whew. Insane. Okay, let's flip this. There we go. Perfect. You guys ready? Cheers. Let's enjoy a nice little session. Like I said, I'm going to go pretty quick at it. So either take notes or make sure to watch the replay maybe a little slower. Okay, let's get going. So GJ right now, man, still jammed in that area, which is completely horrible on the weekly. Still bearish on the weekly, still bearish on the daily. Look at this range. So not interested in anything in GJ. Of course, GJ always on top because this is my main pair. The only thing that looks, not even, not even. We got the daily and the weekly bears. Yeah, nothing to do, man. Yeah, there's nothing here. Nothing. Ooh. Okay, let's move on. NZD USD. Okay, so here is something I sent to the boys on Discord here, if I remember correctly. Here, boop, 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 boop. What? Hold on. Which pair was that? Is that NZD USD? NZD USD update. Oh yeah. Okay, I sent that this morning at 10:30. What we had here. Wait for H4 lower high potential or H1 lower potential with entry signal. Okay, perfect. Okay, so let's go back. All right, so let's see here. And look like we had that. Oh man, we had that H1. Did I miss the? Fuck. Oh, this is right here. Ooh. Okay, so market close right now. Okay, hold on. Wait a second, guys. I might take an entry with you here. Oh, that is super extremely rare. That timing happened when I'm on Forex stock over here. So, by the way, does this sound good? Like, is it like no statics or something? I really think I fixed my problem. Okay, so now let's double check everything here. Okay, before doing anything stupid, let's see. All right, so we are clearly bearish on the weekly time frame. Now the big question is, oh, hold on, but the wife is calling. I gotta take it because she's at the drugstore right now for me. All right, sorry guys, I had to take it. So what I was saying here. Okay, cool. All right, so like I was saying, we are bearish on the weekly time frame. Obviously, I do prefer, like, oh yeah, I changed the color during the boot camp. Boom, here we go. I do prefer a bigger pullback around this area. But at the same time, we retested previous structure point, which is also a daily area of interest. Really close to it. I don't know. Is that the 382? Not even. I don't know. This is not my favorite. Especially that, like last week, we did close bullish here. But smaller body candle. We respected previous high. Okay. Daily is bearish. Okay, we're gonna end engulfing from today. H4 at the pullback. Yes, we had to pull back in H4. Okay, so everything makes sense. The only thing that I don't like is here. Like, whoa, what the hell? What did I do? No, cancel. What did I do here? Okay, there we go. The only thing I don't like here is the fact that here we fell in creating a new lower low on that push down and we went back up. But the good news though is we did broke under that little structure point. Nice engulfing. So it look like we might be good to come down now. Yeah, we did retested previous H4 structure. Yeah, you know what? If I was looking at the chart at 1 p.m., I would be in the trade right here. But no, whoa, wait a second. Oh no, there's a wick. Okay, cool. I thought it was no wick. Okay. Because that's something else. You know, price action, when there's no wick, it means something. So the 30-minute has no elbow here. So technically we are bearish from here. Boom, 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 from here to here. So we are already bearish on the 30-minute. 1 hour is bearish. We got the engulfing. Okay, so now, how do I re-enter here by missing this trade? So very simple. Let's take a look on the super low time frame. That's something like right now you guys are, I mean, you are seeing me something that, you know, I usually don't do live because I don't want to mess up people with strategy. But this is because I know if I don't do it now, I'm not gonna have time later on. So, so you're lucky, guys. So you're seeing something live right now that technically I should not do live because I don't want to confuse anyone. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, perfect. So, boom, 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 boom. Okay, so I need to break here. Okay, so I'm gonna place an alert here. When the 5 minutes I'm gonna be low here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to skip that one. That sucks, but yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. You know what? The only thing I can do is, let's say because I don't want to force it. It doesn't make sense. I'm gonna push back here, push down, boom, boom, double one. What about the 2 hour? Ooh, 2 hours, beautiful right here. Holy shit, that was the entry. That was a nice entry here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to wait on that one. Yeah. Especially this is a smaller body candle. Now we got a new daily opening up. Sorry guys, I'm in a situation here where, yeah, we need to create a top wick first. We need to create a top wick. So while we're going to be creating the top wick, that should give us another pullback on H4. So I think we're going to get a real pullback here on H4. That's what I'm thinking. Yep. I'm not touching it. But if we do come back over here, I'm going to be interested. Here we go. That's what it is. You know, sometimes just take a little extra minutes, but figuring it out. Entering H4. Jeezy. There we go. Perfect. Cool. All right. Move on. Okay. Next up. Yeah, this was a small loss, like I told the guys on Discord. Trade idea, blah, blah, blah. Taking half of my risk based on H2. If lower time frame gives a pullback, we'll re-enter full risk. That never happened. So that ending up being a stop loss at 1.5%, you know. So that's okay. I was willing to accept it. I knew it was more risky because here, boom. If you look here, I was before this push here, after, sorry, and I based my trade on that 2 hour candle, you know, on that 2 hour candle. And if you look on the daily time frame, I think the pullback here was not done. It's the same H4 golden zone than the daily, if I'm not wrong. Boom. Well, pretty much close to it, you know. So yeah, I think it was a little aggressive here, but that's okay. You know, that's okay. So now I'm willing to give this trade a second chance because everything makes sense still. You know, we are obviously one of the reasons why I took half risk also, it's because we are at a higher high, right? So this is a more advanced setup. What's going on here? The dog's going crazy. This is a more advanced setup based on the continuous trade strategy. So that's also another reason why I took half of my risk, because a continuation trade is sometimes a little bit more risky when you are at a high, right? So now let's see how this next 4 hour candle close. So if the next 4 hour candle close and form support or kind of doji-ish, I might be able to, oh, this is the daily, sorry. Yeah, all right, so same thing on a H4. So if we do form another support, we might take a look at it, but looking at the H4 right now, it looks like we might go a little deeper. So stand by on that one. So that one was a minus 1.5. That's okay. I mean, last week we had a massive win. So overall, still pretty good. Let's take a look at this weekly here. We are bearish. And I said, if the daily closed bearish, nice trade setting up. Okay, what about the daily? So did the daily, oh, the daily, whoa, what the, look at this wick. When I was looking at it, the candle was like down here. So still waiting. So that, nothing until like, you know what, that's going there. AUD USD, wait for H4 SOS. Still waiting for that. So I'm going to go pretty fast here, guys. Okay. What am I waiting for here? Boom, boom, boom. Oh, yeah, continuations. Okay. Daily. All right, so we're waiting for the pullback here on the day time frame. I feel like we're going to have a booby trap candle here, and then we're still going to be coming back up, filling this wick. Yep, and I'm waiting for H4 to go have a switch of structure if I want to take it. So, man, that's crazy. Like, look at this. I skipped one live last week, and look what the algorithm is doing right now. Like, well, we're just a couple of us, you know. Usually, like we're like, you know, a couple of people. Back then, man, dude, when the algorithm was pushing my way, dude, I had hundreds of people live. It was crazy. Thousands and thousands and thousands of views. Crazy, man, how algorithm works. Okay, so anyways. Weekly here. Hey, Raf, what's up, man? That was nice meeting you, man. Nice meeting you. Nice to put a face on your name. It didn't tell you I was live. Wow, that's fucked. Yeah, he said you. No, that clearly tells you, oh, YouTube doesn't like me now. Fuck, man. Usually we're way more than that, but that's okay, man. I know people's gonna be watching the replay, so. Yeah. So GCAD right now. I mean, I was expecting another pull back out of that golden zone, because look at how many trades, I erased those, but look at how many times we hit that H4 golden zone and went in profit. It was like crazy during that push. Look at this. I'm keeping those here because that's going to serve me as an example during our boot camp. But that one, man, was crazy. Look like we're coming back up now. So what about the daily? Oh, that daily close above. Again, creating another high. Not gonna lie, when I saw that candle here, I was like, all right, we're finally gonna have a pullback here on GCAD. Look, I'll already add my zone here. So, all right, GCAD is saying, fuck that shit, we're going up. All right, so let's remove all this because this is irrelevant. That paper chart. Oh, yeah, if you guys were live with us on Tuesday morning, look at paper chart. Yeah, if you go back on the session from Tuesday morning, you'll see the breakdown of that trade. Obviously, I didn't took that one live. Is that one? Hold on. Is that? Yeah, that's a paper trade one. Yeah, so that one was a paper trade. We broke that down in full. Unfortunately, I missed it because it was outside of my session. But man, it was beautiful. It was beautiful. Nice trade, man. If you hold this, woo wee. Yeah. Okay, but yeah, so now looks like we might be able to continue again. So all right, so this was bearish and we just flipped bullish. So, you know what? Man, if I see a nice support when engulfing here, I might give it another go. Because I mean, I've just been collecting wins on that one, so even if I get one loss, I'm good. So yeah, that one's a doji for me, so it's a write-off candle. So Raf, this is exactly what I was talking about during the boot camp. Yeah, okay, so I'm trying to go fast, guys, because I'm super extremely late. I don't have my luggage done. I need to go buy clothes because I lost too much weight and nothing fits anymore. Or maybe I'm not gonna have time and I'm just gonna look baggy, and that's all good. All right, so let's see here. Weekly bullish. I really wanted to still do it tonight because it's gonna be one of the last one for a little while. I mean, for a couple weeks. or maybe 3 weeks, 4 weeks, whatever. Because first I'm going to be on vacation. The other week I'm going to be full time with the students. And the other week I think, yeah, I might be one after that. But after that I'm gone again in Mexico for another trip. So anyways, yeah, that one might be a booby trap candle, and we might continue down here. So okay, so stand by on that one. GA, new higher high here on daily. Wow, man. All right, nothing we can do. Euro NZD, nothing we can do. Gotta wait. NZD GPY. I mean, okay, that one. Weekly. Oh man, is that gonna be a booby trap candle? Maybe. We add a retest of the weekly area of interest, which is not bad. We have a lower high here on the day with a nice engulfing, so that's pretty good. Actually, this one looks much nicer than most of them. H4 is still bullish, so I'm going to place an alert here. So I'm going to do two things. I'm going to do this, saying H4 going bearish, and I'm gonna say H4 creating new. All right, because I want to keep track. All right, cool. Euro AUD. Okay, that was the pretty solid trade from last week. I was pretty happy with that one. Oops. What? Hold on. Emmy! Hey, how are you doing? It's been a while. Question. Doesn't matter what time of day you take an entry if you get your entry signal you are waiting for. Doesn't really matter. Obviously, I do prefer taking it during New York session because there's more volume. Yeah, that's what it is. You know, like, look, I took an entry late and turned out into a loss, right? So I do prefer, but if everything lined up, I'm going to take it, you know. All right, so Euro AUD, all right, we're good. So nothing we can do here. We need to pull back. Yeah, we need to pull back. GA, we need to pull back. Euro NZD, we need to pull back. ADCHF, that's, oh, that one looks like NZD. Which one was it? Yeah, this one. So NZD, which one I said? Fuck. Was it G? No. Oh, here we go. ADCHF. That looks pretty nice. All right, let's take a look. So we got a weekly bearish. Look like we did create a top wick, and we're coming down. Let's take a look. Yeah, exactly. Nice pullback, rejecting the daily golden zone, retesting previous structure point. That makes a lot of sense. Nice engulfing. What about the 4 hour? Ooh, that's beautiful. Ooh, hold on. Wait a second. So here, from here to here, it went bullish. Here to here, we went bearish. And we just, this, by here, we flipped bearish. Actually, no, wait a second. From there to there, boom. And now we flip bearish. Nice boom. Okay. The only thing I don't like, it seems to have no bottom wick on that one. Let's take a look. I'm gonna zoom. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Yeah, there's a wick. Okay. All right. Okay, so now this makes a lot of sense. So we got a week. The only thing that, you know, again, that's more risky. We are at a lower low, right? But at the same time, we got this beautiful wick to the left to fill, so we should have room. Daily, 4 hour, 1 hour. Where's my lines? There we go. Perfect. Okay, so now we went from bullish from here to here to close bearish, and now we got a new lower low. All right, so here, yeah, here the only thing I'm gonna be missing is pullback. Wait, H1 pullback and entry symbol. There we go. Perfect. Beautiful. All right, cool. GA, what's going on with GA? All right, so we'll just create a new high. H4 flip bullish. And weekly, higher high. Okay, so nothing we can do here. Euro NZD, boom, 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 nothing. All right, so most of them needs to wait for the pullback. So yeah. All right, any pair you guys want to take a look at? I need to go pretty fast right now, because I got a shit ton to do. Let's see. Would you have taken GCAD at the 30-minute bullish engulfing? It happened during the Zoom. Oh, let's take a look. Let's take a look. The 1 hour you said? No, 30-minute. So let's see. NZDCHF? Okay. Oh, you want to take a look at the NZDCHF after? Okay. All right, so 30-minute engulfing. We went from boom, 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 bearish to bullish. Talking about that one here. No. I don't know if I would have taken it, to be honest. What about the 2 hours? You know what? I think I will definitely wait for that. Even if it's still structure here. Yeah, I would wait for that 1 hour pullback, I think. That's, yeah. It's tempting. It's tempting. It would be tempting. But yeah. Yes and no. So I guess it's something I would probably, if I would go in, I would probably go like with a 1.5 or 2% risk. I would not go full risk, but especially that I've been already like writing it for a little while. But yeah, it's not ugly. I kind of like it ish, you know. Okay, so let's check NZDCHF. That's the yeah, sorry man, I got so much things going on in my head right now. Trying to help the best I can. Okay, so weekly bearish, daily bearish, nice engulfing here. I was waiting for something here. What was it? Oh yeah, I think did we just broke it down? No. So here, so we became bearish here, pull back here. So I'm expecting you to enter somewhere in here. Yeah, okay, makes sense. So boom, let's update this. But here you have an elbow here though. So the problem is now, at the moment that you probably entered at that stage, H1 was bullish. Now it's bearish. So now I would wait for that. Now everything makes sense. Now I should switch that to green and wait. H1, yeah. Say wait for H1 pullback and entry signal. There we go. Perfect. Excellent. Exactly where I entered, up top where you circled. Yeah. You know, it's things when you spend so much time on charts, right? You kind of get like what's going through people's mind. But yeah, at that moment though, the problem is it was bullish on H1. So yeah, so now just wait for H1. Cool. All right. That's it, boys. That's going to be, it was a short one. I mean, not even that short, actually. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. This is going to be one of the last one for a couple weeks, 2 weeks, I guess, 2 or 3 weeks. Stay tuned. Check out my Instagram. I'll tell you when I'm back on live session for YouTube. Until then, there's 2 spots left for the bootcamp that we are officially changed the date and start. We did our introduction day today, which I think was pretty good. And we're going to be officially like rocking it starting on March 24th. So that date is not good. And there's 2 spots left. Okay. So if you want to be part of it, hit me up in my DM on IG, or you can send me an email at fxdogs@icloud.com. All right. So thank you so much. Going on vacation, leaving tomorrow morning, and wish you an amazing week of trading. Do not do anything stupid. Follow your plan, guys. Merci, bonnes vacances. Merci, j'apprécie énormément. Safe travel. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Love you guys. All right, so take care. Have a great rest of the week. Peace out.